Let's talk about the perfect 2-day Positano itinerary. I'm just gonna rattle this off the top of my head and hope I don't forget anything. Day one, you say you're staying at Hotel Poseidon, so I would definitely do breakfast at Hotel Poseidon. Then I would do an Amalfi Coast boat tour. The one that I recommend is 7 hours long. It starts at 10 a.m. There's two options. You can do it privately or you can do it in a shared small group. That will allow you to see all the different Amalfi Coast towns and will be one of the most amazing days of your entire life. The boat tour will end around 5. Then I would go home, shower, get ready for dinner, and then head out for sunset drinks. Since you're staying at Hotel Poseidon, you can grab drinks here. The view is beautiful. You could go to Franco's Bar, you could go to Lee Galley Bistro. There's tons of different options. Then I would go for dinner. Where you go to dinner is totally up to you. I have tons of different recommendations on my page. There are so many great options in Positano. But I would definitely go somewhere that is not the same place as the place you're getting sunset cocktails at. Then I would walk the streets of town and go somewhere else to grab some more drinks. Nighttime in Positano is so magical. Even just walking the streets is like such a treat. It's so beautiful. If you have interest in the club, I would head down to the main beach area, grab some drinks down there before heading to Music on the Rocks. Music on the Rocks is a club in a cave. It's lovely. Don't get there before 1 a.m. and I would stay there till 4 a.m. when it closes. Then, because I'm crazy when I'm in Positano, I might stay out to watch the sunrise. I might go home and go to sleep and get up to watch the sunrise. Up to you. Next morning, I would get up early, either at breakfast at the hotel, here, or at Ferdinando's down on Fornillo Beach. Then I would probably spend the day at a beach club. There are so many different great options. I have a video on my page about all the different options and why I recommend each different one, depending on what you're looking for. So go check that out to help make your decision. You really can't go wrong. Or if you wanted to, Hotel Poseidon has a beautiful pool. You could spend the day at the pool. Whatever you decide, I would do that, enjoy lunch there, and then early afternoon, head back into town and just walk around town. One cool thing in Positano is they will hand make you sandals. So you pick out a sandal style, they have a sole, and then they will hand fit the sandal to your foot. They're all over town. So grab a pair of the sandals for sure. And then I would just walk around. If you're up for some stairs walking, or even just take the streets, there's so many different like cute places to walk around and just see and take pictures and explore. If you're up for it, you could rent a scooter and go explore that way. And then I do it all over again. Sunset drinks, dinner, post-dinner drinks. I hope that helps. You're gonna have a blast. Make sure to like and follow for more Positano tips.